All right, cousins, it's time to make breakfast. Welcome to the Nash House breakfast style. So what I'm going to do is make some icing for those cinnamon breads. First, you want to start off with 1 cup of sugar. You need 1 cup of milk. It really works best with heavy cream, in my opinion. And you need at least 2 teaspoons of flour, and you need 1 cup of butter. And you're going to blend it all together and put it in a saucepan to heat it up. Now, what I will tell you, because I had to use regular milk for this one, so it wasn't as sweet as it is when I use heavy cream. I highly recommend heavy cream for this recipe. You try out both and you let me know what you think. I saved one of our old natural drink jelly jars, and I just put the frosting, because this is vanilla frosting, in there, so when the kids feel like they want a special treat, I've already made it. I don't have to buy no jelly. You welcome. You said welcome, cousin. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the bread that's gonna go with this. That needs to sit in the refrigerator, kind of cool down. So we're gonna take this brioche bread from Nature's Own. When I tell you I love the brioche bread, it's so soft. I put the cinnamon down on the cutting board on purpose so it can kind of be pushed into the bread as I'm flattening out each piece of bread. Now you got to remember, cousins, we're a family of 6. So that means that we're going to do 6 pieces of bread. Everybody get 1. You better not be greedy. We're going to be grateful for this breakfast. Once you get them all rolled up, you want to start putting them in a hot pan with your butter if you choose. I'm using plant-based butter, but whatever it is that you choose to do. All you want it to do is sear down on each corner and flip it on each side. After it gets a nice little sear on it, you're going to remove them from the heat. And then we're going to go back and put our jam, or I'm sorry, our vanilla cream, or you could use jelly, whatever it is that you want to put on top. I put some blueberries. I put the vanilla frosting that we made, and I'm going to put some strawberries. Now, once you get this all solidified, cousins, when I tell you the kids are going to love it, they love it. It's better than cinnamon rolls, but let's plate. So I'm going to take one of these to plate. This is for the kids. They normally typically eat a little bit more of the strawberries. We got some fried potatoes, and we got some real maple syrup and a piece of bacon. And that's it, cousins. Welcome to the Nash House Good Morning edition. Now I got to go. Okay, bye.